kind of going back to the core values, name 3 values that are of highest importance to you. And then now you have something tangible to say, on good days, this is how I'm going to help this person. On a bad day, this is how I'm going to help this person. And in general, if something pops up, these are the areas I know I need to make sure to watch out for. We forget that people are dealing with struggles and losses outside of an office and off the field, right? For students, it could be, parents, divorces, all, siblings, like it could be anything. It could be a bad breakup. Like it could be any of those areas, and understanding as a coach, you're there both in their life, but also in their professional, or when you think about from an athletic perspective, careers as well. And so in a way, our job is to help them manage through and develop a lot of that mindset and resiliency in life as well as in what they're doing.